And all the schools are kind of cutting back and not doing diesel tech programs either.
Right.
So the gap's been getting worse and worse and worse for a lot of years. And it's really frustrated me because I go to all these like, conventions and organizations, and they always have the same stupid ideas. Yeah. They're always like, oh, we're going to go talk to high schoolers.
And then we're going to talk to grade schoolers. And let's go talk to preschoolers.
I heard the grade school thing from somebody the other day. And I'm like, oh my God. like there is no freaking way. First of all, there is no way you're taking a high school kid who's had 18 years of like you're going to college beating his head and going to a 1 hour show and tell and being like, I'm going to be a diesel tech. Like that is not happening at all. So to me, it's when there's a big problem, it takes a lot more solutions. And the examples I always get is I know there's a couple of them doing it right now, but it really started with like American Diesel training centers.
Yep.
We're not going to send people to 2-year degrees and spend $40,000 and then kick them over to a dealership.
Yeah.
We're going to go put them in a 12-week class, teach them how to change oil and do the basics, and then they can go train up from there.
Yeah.